inside you. So won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. Inside you, so much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation. You should live for all the hype.
G'day guys, welcome back to another PC build. It is finally here, Z390 and 9th generation processors. That is right inside this build, and I'll tell you what, we've been doing some testing and we are loving the results. So I hope you all enjoyed this little time-lapse build for you guys using the very brand new hardware. This is the Asus Strix Z390 motherboard paired with an i5 9600K CPU inside. The fans are from Lian Li and the case is the Phanteks Evolv X case, a very highly sought after case. Some major improvements over the predecessor case, and I'm really loving the look of this and all of the features that it has within. And of course, we have one of Asus's new ROG CPU coolers with, of course, a display right in the center, which you can customize and put your own logos on, which is a pretty neat idea. I might come up with something a bit custom for our own PC. We have 32 gigs of G.Skill Trident Z RGB memory, and we also have the Asus ROG Strix GTX 1070 Ti. So we did a lot of acrylic custom work around the whole PC. We wanted to try and bring the motherboard design actually around the whole PC itself. So we've got like the ROG Eye representing the ROG Eye on the motherboard, obviously. And we've got these strips and all of this etching, which you can actually see on the motherboard as well. So yeah, we took that throughout the whole build, made all of these custom panels, and of course we've got the etched panel up the top here, which is illuminated by an LED strip. The etching really picks up on all of that light, especially at night. We also have these fans from Lian Li. These actually have an aluminum or aluminium frame, however you want to say it. So they feel really high quality and very durable as well. One thing I did want to bring your attention to, guys, is this new sort of mirrored RGB finish on the I/O over here on the motherboard. I think it's a brand new approach. Looks really nice as well. Showed up really well in all of the photos and all of the videos. So pretty happy with the design on this new Asus Strix Z370 motherboard. Overall, I had a blast building in this case, and the new hardware is amazing. So I can't wait to maybe bring you guys some tests of it. And I would also like to make a water-cooled build inside of this system. Perhaps keeping the same panels, maybe changing them up a bit. We'll see what happens, but I think we can make a really nice blue and black sort of themed PC around all of this hardware. So let me know what you guys think about this build. Remember to leave a like, consider subscribing, checking out more videos on the channel. We've got plenty of custom PCs just like this one, water cooling tutorials, reviews, and much more. And we'll see you guys next week for another PC build.